In today's video we are gonna be drawing Via and Max, so if you wanna learn how to draw these brawlers, stay until the end of the video and you will get something like this. So we will start drawing two circles, one longer than the other one. Once that we have this space where we are gonna draw Max and Via, let's start by drawing the brawlers. Try to use a pencil that doesn't paint so much, so that if you make a mistake, you can easily erase it. In this case, I am using a 2B pencil. And well, this is the finished sketch. If you want, you can stop the video now and take a screenshot. And now, let's start inking the drawing. So in this case I am using a Sharpie marker, but you can use any marker that you want.
Don't give up so easily. Open up your eyes and see there's more to our story. Baby, open up to me. Don't give up so easily. Open up your eyes and see there's more to our story.
For the eyes and face, I will use a thinner marker.
Hey, don't leave me hanging on.
And well, now it's time to color the brawler. I will be using Copic Ciao marker, so I will leave the number of the markers I'm using at the corner of your screen. So once that we have finished coloring the whole brawler, it's time to add some extra details like some shadows and lights. To add some shadows to Max, I am using a darker red. You can see its code below. And the same is with the yellow parts. Let's repeat the same process with Via. Well guys, this is all for today. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more epic videos like this. See you in the next video. Bye! And wait a moment for the final shots.